Hello guys, good morning. See, welcome to the online class. Okay, see, as and today we are completed almost module number 2. See, today class is C25, class number 25, Silver Jubilee. We are completed. See, now only one or two topics are remaining in module number 2. That is a flow chart of a sewage treatment plant. Okay, anyhow, see, we came to know so many things as and today. For the internals commence from Monday onwards. Monday, that is 19th, 20 and 21st. Okay, it is going to be announced shortly. From Monday onwards, we are having internals. In that internals, in my subject, 1.5 module I am going to give. The syllabus is with you. That is the first module and the second module of. Okay, see, now let us continue this BOD determination. Okay, the determination of BOD can be solved by using several equations. Okay, total number of equations as and today we have studied is 7. Okay, see, this is a determination of BOD, direct and dilution method. Okay, already in the last class I have explained many times. Okay, and in Allah, that means what do you call it? In first type of BOD determination, we have solved on 2 to 3 problems, and the nature of BOD reactions we are already on the way of doing these problems. Okay, to solve the problems, we have to use many equations. Okay, those equations from under that is the nature of BOD reaction, LT, YT, and what do you call L value. See, there are 3 parameters. See, L, LT, and YT. L is equal to what actually? BOD, that is the maximum BOD or ultimate BOD. Okay, utilized. That is, sorry, this one is not, this is wrong. L is equal to ultimate BOD. LT is equal to BOD remaining. YT is equal to BOD spent or utilized. Okay, by knowing these 3 parameters, we are having 3 equations. See, continuously you have to use these 3 equations in the determination of BOD. This methods of determination is called nature of BOD reactions. See, by considering all these equations, these are all comes under 20 degree centigrade. BOD determination is at 20 degree centigrade. Now, other than 20 degree, what you have to do? That is, other than 20 degree centigrade, the temperature, change of temperature, what to do? In the last class, I have shown you what is that? Want of Arrhenius relationship. Okay. See, want of Arrhenius relationship gives like this. Okay. This is whenever the temperature is other than 20 degrees centigrade, you have to determine the BOD. Okay. See, this is the last method of determination of BOD in the examination. By combining all the methods, see, they are going to give problems. Okay. Now, K value other than 20 degree, because rate of change of decomposition. See, the rate of change of decomposition with respect to temperature is given by, this is a Kt is equal to K20 into theta to the power of T minus 20. This will be the equation number 7 or 8. Okay. Now, where Kt is equal to, K20 is also we know, and then theta is equal to, see, 1.047 standard value of this theta is 1.047. Now, see, you can able to determine any temperature other than 20 degree centigrade. See, now here example also he has given how to determine the different temperature. K30 is equal to, how to determine K is equal to T is equal to 30. Then you go on substituting it. See, you will get a K30 is equal to this much. See, always this K rate will be expressed in terms of what? Day inverse or per day. Let us solve with some more problems using the nature of BOD reactions and what you call second type and third type of equations. Okay, here to determine the 3-day See, this is the problem. They are given 3-day BOD, they are given, and ultimate BOD you have to determine. Okay. See, what are the parameters they are given? 5-day BOD at 20 degrees centigrade is equal to 400 milligrams per liter, and BOD 5, see, this is BOD 5, this is BOD 3 at 20 degrees centigrade is equal to how much? See, that is a question they are given. By using 5-day BOD, you have to determine 3-day BOD. Okay, at 20 degrees centigrade only. And finally, ultimate BOD, you have to find out how much it is. So, K20 they are given 0.13. See, everything is given in the problem. Then you have to use, see, what is that equation? See, y5 is equal to L into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. See, this is can be called 1 for equation number 1. See, now under this equation, see what is unknown here? Y5 we know, see it is given in the problem. Okay, L unknown, and then K is K 20 degree. See, because this equation is now used for 20 degree. For any temperature, the same equation you have to use. Okay, see here K value we know, T value is equal to 5. See, substitute all the equation, you will get the L value. You please remember it. In BOD determination, by using this, the second set of equations. See, these equations are same. Only thing is temperature will change. Okay. See, so that now observe here, this L value you are going to consider every time. What is the meaning of L? L is the ultimate BOD. You apply any kind of load or any equations, L value never change. Even you can change the temperature, any type of procedure, L value is fixed. The total amount present, that is amount of organic matter present in the wastewater, is fixed. Okay, like that. Now L value can be determined from this equation. Therefore L is equal to y5 divided by 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. See, this is going to be use this equation and then substitute the values we are known all given in the problem. See, that is y5 is equal to this much, 400 and that is a 400, sorry, 1 minute, it is 400, yes, correct. See, it is a 400 divided by 1 minus 10 to the power of, okay, that K times T. See, I will give you the original notes for you. I will send you, no problem. Just this video, whatever we are telling, just observe along with your notes. Okay. So that L is equal to question mark. Okay. L, how much it is. Next, what to do? Again, using the same equation. Y5 is equal to L into 1 minus kt. See here, see the L we know from this equation. Yt means you have to find out, that is what you call 3 days. So that it is called Y3. L into 1 minus 10 to the power of so and so. Now using this equation, see Y3 only you have to find out. See, in the question paper, that means they are asking Y3 is equal to how much. So therefore Y3 is equal to L we know and remaining all values we know. See, okay, so that they will get answer Y3 at 20 degrees centigrade is equal to 308 milligrams per liter. See, it is not m per L, this is a milligram per liter. See, this problem solved once again. Okay, I have not given the value of this one. Okay, anyhow, the L will be always maximum value compared to any values. So that this is L, you have to, it should be compulsory. How much it will come? It is more than 400. This is 5-day BOD is 400, but ultimate BOD is more than that. It is a common sense. Okay, let us go to another problem. See, in this case, the BOD of a sewage is incubated, okay, for 1 day. This is 1 day incubation. See, 1 day equation will be equal to how much it is? It is 300. Sorry, 1 minute. In this problem, they are given BOD 1 at 30 degrees centigrade is equal to 200 milligrams per liter. BOD 1 value they are given. Then BOD 5 value at 20 degrees centigrade is equal to how much? They are asking this one. Now K20 is equal to, they are given 0.12 per day. Now by using Van 't Arrhenius equation, see, we know the formula. We know the Van 't Arrhenius relationship. Kt is equal to K20 to theta to the power of t minus 20. See, where theta is equal to this much. So therefore, what is the value of K30? When K30 is equal to, we have to find out K30 because all the values are we know. Then by substituting all the values, see, okay, you will get a K30 is equal to this much. Got it? Next, from here, the K value we know. Next, you have to go for, this is what you call the BOD reactions. That is YT is equal to L into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus KT. So, okay, substitute the equation. Let me substitute the values above in the above equation. We will get Y1 is equal to L times this much. Okay, or L is equal to Y1. They are given 200 milligrams per liter. Okay, divided by the same value you have to substitute here, so that L value can get this much. Whenever before rounding off of that value, the fraction value should not be considered. You have to go for the next higher value. Okay, yes, using L value again, use the same equation number 1. See, the YT only we want to determine. YT means Y5, that is Y5 means BOD 5, so that L we can use it here and substitute all the values. We'll get Y5 is equal to 424 milligrams per liter. Okay, 424 milligrams per liter. See, anyhow, the final answer should be less than L. You please remember, by determination of many type of what you call the values which are given in the problem, see, L value is ultimate value, that is the maximum value. Okay, it cannot be more, less than or more than that L value. So L, any answer you are getting, they are less than L only. See, please try to remember the values you are getting should be less than L value. See, this is the 5th day. Okay, 5 day 424. What is the value of L here? So L is 565 milligram per liter. See, that is why this problem can be solved very easily. Now let us go to another type of problem. Okay. See, here this is another type of problem. In this problem, what is the speciality here is only one line problem. Remember it. See, instead of giving 4 or 5 lines, they are given only one line. Try to understand what they are given and you have to write down separately the given values. Always for any problem, if those who are not writing the given values, okay, then automatically I will deduct 1 mark or 2 marks for that. Okay, whatever they are given in the problem, you have to write compulsory. It is a mandatory to write all the values. Now let us start with this one more problem. This is another type. See, estimate the BOD 7 at 30 degrees centigrade using BOD 5 at 20 degrees centigrade is this much. Okay, how much it is? 280 milligram per liter, and K20 is equal to how much? That is 0.1 day inverse, and theta is equal to 1.047. See, they are given all the values except few values. See here, what they are given? BOD 5 is equal to this much, and BOD 7 at 30 degrees centigrade is equal to question mark, and K20 is equal to how much? 0.1 day inverse, and then theta is equal to 1.047. See, all the values they are given. Now let us start with one by one. The steps should be known to you. See, first L is equal to question mark, and then K value you have to determine, and then Y value you have to determine. See, there are two parameters. One is at 20 degree, another one is 30 degree. See, okay. Now BOD, that is we are having equation, that is Y5 is equal to L into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus KT. See, now you find out the L value, substituting all the values in this. So therefore L value is equal to 410 milligram per liter. And then this L, keep it in mind and find out the other parameter. Okay. See, after this problem, one more problem I am going to show. See, let us start with this one. Okay. The 5-day 30 degree centigrade. Okay. The 5-day 30 degree centigrade of a sewage, that means 30 degree centigrade of BOD of a sewage sample is 110 milligram per liter. Okay, given it is, calculate its 5-day 20 degree centigrade BOD. Okay, assume deoxygenation constant is equal to 20 degree centigrade, K20 is equal to how much? 0.1 okay, per day. Now given BOD5 is equal to BOD5 at 30 degree centigrade is equal to 110 and BOD5 at a temperature 20 degree is equal to question mark, it is Y5. So therefore K20 is equal to, they are given 0.1 per day. Okay, now observe here, in this problem, so you have to determine the BOD value. See, they are given 30 degree BOD value is equal to 110 milligram per liter and then 20 degree they are not given. See, to determine any BOD value 5 days, first you have to use, always you have to use the general formula. See, the nature of reaction, that is BOD kinetic reactions. From that this equation is very very important. Yt is equal to L into bracket L is the 1 minus to the power of minus Kt. See, using the given values, substitute here and find out this K20 is equal to K20, that is a 30. For example, by substituting K20, you are getting what you call K30. If you know that K30, 30 degree, that means 30 degree centigrade, Yt is equal to how much? Yt is equal to L into 1 minus to the power of minus Kt. Okay, substitute the all the above equation. See, okay, all the given values, see in this equation will get a L value. Okay, I hope you are almost expert in this subject. This BOD sufficient problems I have solved. Okay, try to understand this problem and what you call solving examination question paper. Okay, see afterwards L value, if you determine, see always any problem, see L value you have to determine. After L and then whatever they are asked, see go for that equation. See y5 is equal to L into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus Kt. See therefore y5 is equal to 132 1 minus 10 to the power of 0.1 into 5. See whatever it is, see whatever it is, any formula, see just you use this point of arrangement equation and as well as this one. See very first you find out the L value. L is the ultimate value. All the values should come less than L. If you don't know this L, if anybody having a L overtaking of a BOD5 more than L value, see any values more than L value, always it is wrong. See, these problems are carries 8 to 10 marks. 8 to 10 marks compulsory. Okay, Monday onwards your internals will start. See, I have solved many number of problems. Try to repeat all these problems and this will be coming for second internals. Okay, IA2, these portions will be covered from the half of the module number 2. Second half will be the second internals. Now first half will be the in the first internal. Okay, module number 1 and half of the module number 2. See, this is a syllabus for your what you call internals. Try to answer sincerely. Don't go for copying. See, you never come up definitely. See, even marks are less, no problem. You try to answer sincerely without looking into any books or notes. Okay, wish you best of luck. See you after the what you call internal examinations. See, internal examinations are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, I will take in the next week the sewage treatment plant, the outline of all the things. So okay, STP ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ STP outline and what are the functions, one by one we are go on studying it. Okay, thank you for your patience. Wish you good luck. Okay, thank you, Nando.